Hello, everybody, and good evening. I just wanted to do another quick vid here. Funny, yeah, quick, right? Good luck. I came in tonight, and now these things have been on for a couple hours. I'd say maybe two hours at least, maybe three, and the sound is totally different. I mean, after 20 minutes or something, that's I thought it. But boy, after a couple hours, it's different. So I just want to play a little something. This is Jerry Garcia. This is Garcia Band, recorded live 1980 at Keene College. Here's a little selection. So it's kind of cool. You can really hear a lot of. Did you hear the audience and stuff? Let's get more to the singing and see. See if there's some other. So anyways, I used to go to a lot of those shows, so I know exactly what they sound like live, and so it's nice to be able to hear it like this. Anyways, so yeah, it sounds very good. I got to do something fun for you guys though, like a comparison, right? What do I have up my sleeve? Oh, I need to test some power cords for a customer. Where are they? There they are. Okay, let's see these puppies, right? Whoops. Whoa. Whoa, got loose from me. What the heck? It wants to turn around. Oh, it's staying, I see it's staying locked in position. That's right. Well, trying to pick this dang thing up without... Okay, so these belong to good old Dale. He sent them back to have me upgrade them a little bit, and so we'll try some of these. We can see if we can hear a difference. We're checking them out to make sure that they sound awesome. So if they sound as good as the one that's in here and they don't sound worse, then awesome. But the one that I have on the DAC right now is my latest and greatest. So let's see if we can hear a difference. Hang on. Well, I had to do something other than planned. I got behind the rack there, and the one that I have plugged in to the APL, it's too hard to reach. It goes to the wall, so I plugged in a power strip and one of the Veerstar power strips, and then the new cable into that over to the DAC. But we'll still know. I mean, we can now. I can change them easier because I've got 1, 2. I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five of them to test, and I'm not gonna. There's no way I'm trying to get back in that cubby every single time. This will make it a lot easier. So here, let's see what it sounds like now. Wow. Okay, so that one absolutely passes. I mean, that sounds phenomenal. It sounds better than it did before to me. Maybe because we're going through the Veerstar power strip that's, passively filtered. Either way, that sounds awesome. Let's compare the other ones and see how they compare to this one. They should all be relatively the same. They were made in the same time. There's only one with different plugs. We'll do a quick through. I've got to do this just for posterity. Make sure that he's getting them the good ones. But that sounds awesome. Hang on, I'll be back. Okay, here we go. Here's the next one. And the bells were not for me. Come again. Walking along in the mission and the rain. Come again. Walking along in the mission and the rain. Yep, check. Okay, so now since I brought you this far, I have to at least do something drastic. Let me go find a regular molded power cord like you get with your audio equipment that comes free in the box, a POS, and let's put that in, and then let's see if you can hear a difference. Hold on. Okay, here's what's going in. One of these things. Y'all know what those are. Okay, I'm going to put one of those in, and let's give it a shot. Hang on. Okay, and here we go with the regular POS. Okay, so Not sure whether you guys can hear, how well you can hear that. It's thin and crispy. The soundstage is flat between the speakers. It doesn't come forward. It doesn't go back. It's just flat and crispy. It's like a crispy, well-done potato pancake. Crispy latke, I tell you. So it's like, anyways, I don't have patience for that. I'm sorry. I can't sit through that much longer. I just want to put the damn cord back in and listen to some music. Because I want to listen to music tonight. I really don't want to be making videos. But I'm doing it. I wonder why. Because I love you guys. That's why. So I am going to, I think I'm going to switch back to what I was listening to and then listen again. But more than anything, I just wanted to kind of drop in. I will drop in time to time during this break-in so we can hear these, the amps and the preamp together as they break in and see if they get better to you. They certainly should. So anyways, without further ado, I shall say goodbye. And you have yourselves a good evening, afternoon, day, morning, whatever. And I'll see you. Okay, so let's see. I've got the microphones hooked up here. I'm going to do a quick addition right here just so you can hear the next chord that I put on, which is the statement gold, this is a gold alloy chord. What I want you to listen to is how it tamed out the crispy highs and makes it smoother. Just listen. There you have it, statement gold. See you. But I still like the sound of my pure silver statement series without the gold alloy best, at least for this rig, because of the extended highs that are not crispy, but they're just extended and smooth. So check out how now the highs come back, but they're not crispy, but they're way more open. Listen to cymbals and stuff like that. Whole image is way huger. I'll take it back. Way better. This is my fave right here. Everybody needs one of these power chords. See you.